let's go! What's up? This is Timmy's Vlog, Season 1.
Guys, our vlog for today is I share with you my experience in our barangay.
Wow!
My experience in volunteering in our barangay is helping with a task. For example, the project is all about school supplies. And my task is repacking the things and arrange the things that will be distributed for the student or children. I'll show you some pictures.
Call me up in the middle of the night, nowhere else to go, and I'm tired of all the promises you make. I know that you know that I give up my time to be with you, and I know that this love will fade.
When we finish the event, we will bonding with the volunteers, just like swimming or eating. I'll show you some picture.
I won't say goodbye yet. Cannot.
If you want to be a part of the volunteer team, be generous and friendly, and don't be shy. Be a part of the volunteer team. You will get to know a lot, and you learn a lot. I'm a shy type person, but since I was included in volunteering, I have somehow been reduced to shyness. Not even when I was volunteering, I have upgraded my weakness step by step. For those who want to join, because not only do you help, you also make other people happy. Even you do a lot, you will lose your tiredness. Happy to be a part of a volunteer team.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video for today. And hit the like button if you like the videos. And please subscribe our channel. And share your friend our video for today. And I will giving a giveaway if I reach the 1K subscriber. And thank you very much for watching our video. Hey, to the